Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to discover with you my first impressions about Fortem, which is actually a car organizer. So yes guys, let's see what we have in here. This is actually looks like your main bag, and yes, look, it actually is secured with these two clips. And yes, look at that. There is actually a washing cloth already added to your convenience. And yes, for me it is important to have because I actually started surfing recently and my trunk absolutely has no organization. And yes guys, inside you also find these attachments, right? So that's definitely great. And look at the variety of side pockets. They can actually easily hold all of your cloth, brushes, some cleaning products for your car as well. Absolutely love it. Cannot wait to actually put it into my car. And yes, right here, I believe this is actually the lid for your car as well. So again, it goes right on top like this. And yes, guys, also you can see there is actually, this is actually, I believe, might be a bottom as well. So this is actually goes on top and it secures it with the Velcro. So yes, my intuition tells me this might be the bottom as well if you need to use it. And everything is actually separate. So this is, I believe, a separation for this needle part. How clever, yes. Again, this is my first impressions without reading an instructional manual. As you can see, it just goes easily with this Velcro. And yes, I feel like it's definitely self-explanatory and going to be super useful in my car.